Hi guys! Dito na kami sa room.
Andito na kami sa Reina Luxury Hotel, guys. Uy, ayun guys, oh, may free snacks tayo. Gutom na kami, guys. Kain muna tayo. Oh, may Oreo pa, tapos may Pringles pa, guys. Tsaka may water pa, guys. May TV pa, guys. Oh, laki ng TV, ah. Okay, next. Itong ang bed namin, guys. Pangtulog. Next guys, color guys. Na tayo sa iba. Tingnan lahat ng room. Ayan guys. Ito yung bathtub, pang ligo. Ito yung toilet natin. Ito yung shower, pang ligo. Ito rin, yung bathtub. Tsaka, pang wash ng hands. Ito. Okay, guys. That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and button, and I see you the next one. Bye, guys, and I see you. Peace.